Hi everyone, we're a little bit early. We are live at Genevieve's. Hello girls. Hey. Say hello Jen, where are you?
Wax is going on.
Yeah, that's quite warm, isn't it? I wasn't expecting it to be that warm.
Shall I start stroking that?
I'm waiting for... Oh, we got one viewer. Hello. Hello Natalie Fisher, you perv. I knew that you'd be first.
There you go. Start with Anna. Are you ready for the first one?
Oh, we're going... Oh, are we? All right, so messing back. I did bring a little book to help him to get through this. I wasn't expecting it just to go whack. We haven't even probably started yet. We haven't even got Once Upon a Time yet. Right, so I am going to read The Three Little Pigs.
Your face. I knew this was going to be fun.
Right.
We're doing it as quick as we can.
Once upon a time, there was a mother pig who had 3 little pigs. The 3 little pigs grew so big that their mother said to them, "You are too big to live here and any longer. You must go and build houses for yourselves. But take care that the wolf doesn't catch you." The 3 little pigs set off. "We will take care of that wolf and that he doesn't catch us," they said. Nice little picture. This is not a nice experience. That wax is really hot. Soon they met a man who was carrying some straw. "Please, will you give us some straw?" asked the first little pig. "I want to build a house for myself." "Yes," said the man. He gave the first little pig some straw. Very nice, generous man. Look at that. Then the first little pig built himself a house of straw. He was very pleased with his house. He said, "Now the wolf can't catch me and eat me." "I shall build a stronger house than yours," said the second little pig. "I shall build a stronger house than yours too," said the third little pig. And there they are, all waving to each other. The second little pig and the third little pig went on along the road. Soon they met a man who was carrying some sticks. "Please, will you give me some sticks?" asked the second little pig. "I want to build a house for myself." "Yes," said the man. He gave the second little pig some sticks.
How many viewers are you on?
We're on 12 people watching. Give me a like or give me a smile, people. There we go, some likes and smile. Yes, the voice is a little bit shaky. That's because hair is being ripped out of my back. Then second little pig built himself a house of sticks. It was stronger than the house of straw. The second little pig was very pleased with his house. He said, "Now the wolf can't catch me and eat me. I shall build a stronger house than yours," said the third little pig. There we go. His little shit stink house. The third little pig walked on along the road by himself. Soon he met a man who was carrying some bricks. "Please, will you give me some bricks?" asked the third little pig. "I want to build a house for myself." Yes, the man, and he gave the third little pig some bricks.
It's not often I do this where I
It's
don't try and make it like pleasant.
It's just hot and hurting.
That will feel nice.
Then the third little pig built himself a house of bricks. It took him a long time to build it, for it was a very strong house. The third little pig was very pleased with his house. He said, "Now the wolf can't catch me and eat me." See, he's following building regulations and building a house of bricks. That one hurts.
Which one? The one up top?
Yeah. The next day the wolf came along the road. He came to the first house built of straw, which the first little pig had built. When the first little pig saw the wolf coming, he ran inside his house and shut the door. The wolf knocked on the door and he said, little pig, let me come in. No, no, the first little pig said, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin. I will not let you come in. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, said the wolf. So he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed. The house of straw fell down and the wolf ate up the first little pig in some brown bread.
Don't worry, it won't be as long as I'm gonna crack.
The next day the wolf...
on pause with them watching, like,
yes.
in the air. We've ripped off the plants off already.
The next day the wolf walked further along the road. He came to the second house of sticks, which the second little pig had built. When the second little pig saw the wolf coming, he ran inside his house and shut the door. The wolf knocked on the door and he said, little pig, let me come in. No, no, said the second little pig. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I will not let you come in. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in, said the wolf. So he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed. The house of sticks fell down and the wolf ate up the second little pig in some Yorkshire pudding. The next day the wolf walked further along the road. He came to the third house, which the third pig had made. When the third little pig saw the wolf coming in, he ran inside the house and shut the door. The wolf knocked on the door and he said to the little pig, let me come in. No, no, said the third little pig. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I will not let you come in. Are we still working around the back of the neck?
No, it's just... You just kind of got more stuck to yourself. Okay.
I managed to do that while reading the book. Fantastic. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in, said the third wolf. No, said the wolf, not the third wolf. So he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but the house of bricks did not fall. The wolf was very angry, but he pretended not to be. Little pig, he said, be ready at 6 o'clock in the morning and I will take you to the farmer Smith's field. We shall find some nice turnips for dinner. Very well, said the little pig, but he was a very clever pig. He knew that the wolf was just wanted to eat him. See, he's not stupid, this third pig, I'm telling you. So the next morning, the third little pig set off to Farmer Smith. Oh, don't pull it up.
This is where the fun starts.
No, this is not fun.
We'll do around the butt cheeks first and then we'll get them on all fours and get further in. Yeah.
Oh my.
Who would have thought it'd be rubbing your butt, hey?
Do you know what? I'm a lucky boy. Don't pull it upwards, it's a thong. It's meant to go down, not up.
Okay.
So the next morning, the third little pig set off for the farmer Smith's field at 5 o'clock. He filled his basket with turnips. Then he hurried home before 6 o'clock. The 6 o'clock, the wolf knocked on the third pig's door. Are you ready, little pig? He said. Mother. Oh, I have been to Farmer Smith's field, said the third little pig. I have filled my basket with turnips. And I'm now cooking for dinner. Ow. The wolf was very angry, but pretended not to be.
This, yeah? Right, now I might just cut this off.
You're just going to cut it? No, no, just careful what you're cutting. Just careful what you're cutting. The wolf was very angry, but he pretended not to be. Then the wolf said, be ready at 5 o'clock in the morning. I will take you to Farmer Brown's field with the apple trees. We will pick some red apples, Very well, said the third little pig.
No clenching.
Don't clench, just leave it relaxed. I'm in Farmer Brown's fucking field. Next morning, the third little pig sets off at 4 o'clock. He found the apple tree. He was up in the tree picking apples when the wolf came along. No, it's...
What?
I'm having my arse ripped in half. The third little pig was frightened. He pretended not to be. He said, "These fine apples, Mr. Wolf, I'll throw you one down, and that's inside the bum." We threw the apple, but it rolled down the road. The wolf. Where was we? The wolf ran after it. Then the little pig jumped down from the tree.
Building up for him.
He ran all the way home and shut his door quickly. The wolf was very angry, but he still pretended not to be.
Oh, I go for that.
Are we going for it?
Go on, Jen.
That's alright.
Just little ones like
Yeah,
those.
it's not quite in yet.
It's not quite in yet.
Right, so
Said the
probably
vicar
have
to the
do
top.
all fours now.
I've got to go on all fours.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to try and do this very dignified.
Yeah.
Would you like a towel?
Give me a towel for the moment. No.
What I'll do is I'll put the book in front of the camera.
Hold on, let me just... I'll just turn away for now.
My arse.
Okay.
It's the wrongest dog. You can show your viewers.
Okay. Yeah.
I think we're okay.
Hang on, if I put
Hello
this
again.
here, just in case anything does decide to
Okay.
say hello.
Now, are we going to use hot wax here or just go with the other wax?
I think maybe go with the
Just
drip
don't
wax
prod around
as
too
well.
much, just get on with it. He went to the little pig's house and knocked on the door. The little pig, he said, "Be ready at 4 o'clock this afternoon and I will take you to the fair. We will have some fun on all the swings and roundabouts." Very well, said the little pig. At 2 o'clock, the little pig set off for the fair. Jesus Christ. He had great fun riding on the swings and roundabouts. Then he bought himself a butter churn.
Yeah.
It looked like a big barrel. You're in tears, I'm nearly... Ah! He collapsed. As the little pig was coming home, he saw the wolf coming up.
You stuck it together.
Little thing. Oh, my arse. Very frightened, so he jumped inside the butter churn.
Okay.
The butter churn began to roll
Yeah,
over
put some oil
and
in.
over again. The hill, it rolled faster and faster. He knocked the wolf down. The wolf was so frightened that he
Okay,
ran
just
away
a little bit
quickly.
Higher.
He could.
Stuart, this can be a bit warmer, okay?
Oh, shit. The wolf was so frightened that he ran away as quick as he could. The little pig jumped out of his butter churn and carried it home. This is mental. Absolutely mental. The next day, the wolf came and knocked on the little pig's door. He said, "Little pig, I did not go to the fair yesterday. A great big thing came rolling down the hill and knocked me over." "Ha ha," said the pig, "that was me inside my butter churn." When the wolf heard this, he was very, very angry indeed. He said, "Little pig, I'm going to eat you up. I am going to climb down your chimney and get you." The little pig was very frightened. He said nothing. He put a big pot of hair on the fire to boil. The wolf climbed onto the roof. Then he began to come down the chimney. Stop picking little hairs. The little pig took the lid off the pot into the pot and fell the wolf with a big splash. He was at the end of the wolf, and the third little pig lived happily ever after with his
come
bum
back a little bit if you
intact.
That's
Big one, big effort. That's really hot.
No, it's hot wax.
Right, that's the end of the 3 little pigs, but it's not the end of my pain and suffering. If you are still watching and you are laughing, please also remember that I am trying to raise as much money as I can for Jill's fundraising journey. So please go onto my profile, click the link. That's so hot on my bum.
It's a sensitive area.
It is a very sensitive area. I am finding out this. And yeah, donate for charity.
I'd like you to meet my newest therapist. Hopefully she'll leave after this experience.
Yep, thank you to Jenna Pierce for helping me pull this off. I think what I said earlier on. Okay, keep going. Keep going.
You have to wait for this one to set a little bit before you pull it off.
Set? What do you mean set? You're making a mould cast. What do you want about set?
You can take home as a souvenir if you want.
No, thank you. Just...
That's looking good.
My bumhole looks good. Do you know what? That's the first time that's ever been said to me, and I have mooned many a time. I'm not crying, Grimla. I'm not crying, Gary. I'm not crying. I'm just thinking of the damage that's been done to my bumhole. Keep chatting to me, people. Please just keep on chatting to me. Can you hear me okay?
Can they see like the stuff? They can't even see.
No, they can see my face. They just can imagine what's going on behind me as they rip out
love the fact that I've got Hannah obviously spreading your butt cheeks so that I can get in there. There
It's the whole fingering thing ain't working for me. The whole prodding me up the bum.
Don't put that on there.
Spread eagle with a finger up there.
What are you doing to me?
Well, this works. You have to wait for it to set, and then you kind of press it into the skin to help it fall off a bit easier. So I generally have to
Massage my bum.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You'll get some soothing cream off.
Thank you for that. I've got to be honest with everybody. I don't recommend it to everybody. Especially when they don't come off first time. Sandpaper, Louise, I think. Sandpaper.
Nearly there. We're nearly there.
We're nearly done round that part, are we?
Yeah.
And then it's just...
I think this is like the better part though.
Yeah, this is the bit that doesn't really hurt.
Pardon? How often do you do it?
Like, how often do we wax ourselves?
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
That's just trying to get the wax off so you don't have an abundance
That's
when you
looking
go
good.
to the toilet.
That's looking good. Please stop saying my bum hole looks good.
Maybe just this top bit here.
Yeah.
How far do you want to go in?
Not too far. Don't just keep going in. Don't just keep going in. Jesus Christ.
That would be for the bum, I think.
Yeah, I've suffered enough on my bum. My bum has definitely.
Arch your back as much as you can. That's it.
Oh God, Jesus Christ.
Wonderful.
That's not wonderful.
That's dry.
Dry. I can't sit like this.
What are the comments?
I've only
Hannah
got.
still has a dirty laugh.
Who said that? Gary?
I don't feel like laughing anymore.
I was like, who knows you?
I've still got something else to go yet. To the back, okay. Crack, I'm not comfortable with. The last one.
Well, we've done the crack.
We've done the crack.
Almost.
We'll just put a bit of cream on your butt for you now.
Right,
Sweating.
Your legs straight. That's it. And get in position. That's it.
Get in position.
For a creaming.
Yeah, looking good.
Looking good.
Looking good.
Please stop saying my bum looks good.
Okay.
Can I lie down there?
Yeah.
I've got to be honest.
Turn
You gonna
round.
sit?
My first and last experience of getting it done. Never doing it again. There's not anything in the world that will make me want to do this
You
again.
don't want a double whammy again?
Yeah. So now I'm being flipped over, where I've got to grab stick.
How you feeling?
Nervous as hell now.
Okay, so now you need to be sat with both your knees kind of outwards to us.
Like I'm having a baby.
Yeah, pretty much.
Are you both doing it?
One's got a hold and one's got a pull.
Hold on. Shit, you know.
I mean, usually I would say for you to hold and stretch, like.
Yeah, I don't fancy doing that, to be honest. Holding and stretching is not appealing to me, and even naughty thoughts. Naughty thoughts not appealing to me at all. There is nothing sexual about this experience, I tell you that.
I feel like we've caused enough pain in the interim to diminish that. Right, I'll give
so
this
funny.
video here. So knee out to me, just like that. And then I'll put that one on that side for you, okay?
Me thong's next to me chins.
Yeah, that didn't come in handy, did it?
Someone wanted that?
The phone's ringing. So this is the part that I'm really not looking forward to. I'm not looking forward to the whole hot wax experience on my nuts, and I'm certainly not looking forward to having it balded.
All around, yeah?
Just me nuts. I don't need it all done.
You want just your nuts done?
Just my nuts. Let's just get this done.
Okay.
People, you better be. You better be
Relax
down. Relax.
Relax.
It's easier said than done. Trust me, that is easier said than done. Relax.
I thought you were going
Don't
to
do
put the whole
it.
thing around. Like proper Hollywood.
I'm not doing the Hollywood thing.
It might be nicer to have
Mary
that.
Berry will be after me. It's not happening.
What
Not
do you want to do?
happening.
Do you want to put it on and
You put
I'll hold the side, or you hold it?
hold.
I love this tossing the coin attitude you seem to have. Shall you do it or shall I do it?
I think it's just
We just-
courteous, you know? I just
Yeah.
want to make sure she's happy with holding your balls.
It's like a white chip. Who holds the balls?
Okay.
Are you happy holding my balls?
I want to make
Right,
sure
which
she
area
get
are we
around
gonna do
here
first?
too.
Yeah.
So
Shall I
do
lift?
this side.
Lift.
Perfect.
This is not. There's nothing dignified about this.
Yeah, but look at that.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
I'm never going to look at it, to be honest. If I ever get my head back down there, I'll never be on my own ever
Well, we can show
again.
you in the mirror.
I don't want to see the mirror. I don't want to see what it looks like. I just want to make sure it's still working at the end.
I thought
Look
the
when you
same
pull the way
thing.
along.
What are you thinking of doing to me now?
When you pull the balls away, it literally looks like
The
a
vajayjay.
vagina that isn't open. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but
Oh, this is
This
painful.
bit won't be too bad.
you remember when I said to you that if you didn't trim, it would pull?
Yeah.
That's what you're feeling, the pulling
It's
sensation.
where all my hair's knotting up and
Yeah.
it's pulling, and that's where you're going to rip
Yeah.
it off. And okay.
The pull's worse than the rip.
Okay. It's nice to know that the pull is worse than the rip. Right, have you all donated? Because this is the big one for me. This is the one where I deserve the money for the donation to
Sorry,
Jill's
hold on.
fundraising journey.
Wait for
That's
you
set.
to... You're obviously quite warm and this wax requires cooling down.
I'm quite warm.
I think you must be, yeah.
Yeah, I'm a hot person. I'm a very hot person at the moment. We got 23 viewers. Send me some love, peeps.
Yeah, that's not going that way.
That's not coming out. That's not coming out.
It's not bad, is it?
Is that it? Done. Thank God for that.
That's not the balls, that's just underneath.
That was just the undercarriage.
Yeah.
That hurts. The undercarriage hurts. Send me some love, peeps. Send me some hearts, because I've got hot wax going on my nads. It's going on my nads, and it's not nice. It's not nice at all.
Definitely works when two people do it.
Tag team.
I know.
I'm being tag teamed. I'm with two women for the first time. Ouch! Jesus Christ. I bet he didn't have this problem. Ouch. That's really hot. I didn't expect it to be that hot. I wasn't expecting it to be that hot at all.
Let's see if this is
No warning, let's just rip it.
So this wax that I use is hotter than the normal wax because it helps to open the follicles better.
Okay, super hot
So
wax.
it will be better afterwards. You just might feel a bit of the heat now.
So it'll be all right afterwards when I'm itching them next week.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, right, we're now going in. Now you're putting it on there, aren't you?
Now we're in the danger zone.
This ain't the danger zone like it Top Gun danger zone, is it? Ow.
You're doing well.
I feel like it's just creeping out.
We're losing watchers.
Oh, sorry, is that okay?
That's really hot. Hello people, thanks for joining me. You're not tuned into children's television. That isn't what's happening here.
Yeah, she meant how's the pressure on the balls?
No, it's fine, just keep pushing them down, it's fine. I ain't going to be using them for... Ouch!
This is so much fun.
This is not fun.
It is fun.
I'm not doing this again.
So if I do it around here.
That just seems to be getting hotter and hotter.
It's obviously thinner skin around this area.
More sensitive.
More sensitive, so you're going to peel it a little bit more sensitive, yeah? Is that right? No, you're just going to rip away at you.
Technique's always the same.
Yes, they are off watering a little bit, aren't they? Yes, it does.
Hold on, that's not at all. You can't be as clean with this.
No. I'm going to put more crevices on this, haven't
To deal with.
Just watch what you're ripping off. I want to keep that.
That was a ball.
That was a ball. I thought it was going to come off.
You're doing well.
I'm not doing well. I feel like crying. Ow. And that's just, that's like you've just poured a boiling hot kettle on me nuts.
How much have you raised so far?
We're at well, before I started I was 630, so I'm hoping that I've got a few more donations ever since.
Come on, people.
Get to 1,000.
Stop patching my balls.
Sorry, that was a hair.
That was, yeah, that was a hair.
I'll
Okay.
waft them for you, don't worry.
Oh. Sorry.
I think gas and air would be good actually, Ken, thank you. I thought it was just going to be like one big... Ow!
Keep as
Balls
still as you
keep
can.
moving.
Yeah.
It's alright, Zach, stop moving. You ain't having part of your body ripped off. And a favourite part of my body as well.
Oh, that's looking good.
Thank you. My balls are looking good. It's just been updated by Hannah. Thank you, Hannah.
Right, so. Do you want to go on the other side?
Yeah.
Was that just one side?
Yes.
Jesus.
That was only half a ball
Okay,
on
so
one
the other
side.
way-
That was only half a ball. What about the full ball?
That put in the middle
Yeah.
and pull like that.
Yeah.
So this is still one side.
If you put your hand there and pull upwards, that's it.
Just pull it up. Just pull it up. Please donate. Start donating, people, please. Make this worth it.
Have a heart.
Have a heart as well. Jesus Christ, I need some love later.
You won't get stuck.
Is this where we tell them that I'm not trained in this?
This is your second go. This is my first go.
My second attempt at a ball wax.
Oh, Jesus
You're
Christ.
doing well,
I'm
Jen.
just going to wait for that one to dry a bit more so it comes.
So we're just calling my balls at the moment. Is
Yeah.
that what you're telling me?
Area of it, yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh, Hannah's just finding more patches for me to do.
Don't stop finding patches, Hannah. We don't need a complete ensemble of baldness. I don't need to be Kojak. Right. Okay, Jill's fundraising journey. The reason we're doing this, the reason I'm doing this, having this done to me, is so that they can raise enough money to buy a static caravan down at the coast, so people suffering with cancer can get away for a little bit of respite, a little bit of enjoyment out of life when it's in such a hard time for them. So this little bit of pain I'm going through now, it isn't that little, but compared to what they go through every day, just remember that, and that's why we're doing it. So please donate. That is tears in my eyes, not because I'm going to cry, but my eyes have nearly popped out of my head on a few occasions now. And it doesn't even feel like we're anywhere near over.
Halfway through?
About halfway through.
The ball section.
So I've got one bald half one. Do I look like Harvey Two-Face down there? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah. Have a look in the mirror?
I don't want to look in a mirror.
The other side now.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lindsay. Yeah, if you can see Lindsay's comment, please follow that link and help us raise some more money. It isn't Lego bricks down there, girls. I can feel it. You're not trying to pop anything down there. Okay. You're going right in the groin, aren't you? I didn't think we said groin. I didn't think we said groin.
If this was affecting the cleaner area.
Right, can anybody tell me now, anybody who's watching, I can see 27 of you there, how much money have we raised since we started? We were 6:30 at just before
Take
3:30.
your hand, just pop it on this section here.
And hold that there.
That's it.
Okay, if you can have a look, somebody have a look for me, just give me a quick update, see if we've raised any more money while I've been alive. I hope the people who have been watching can see that, yeah, this is genuine. It really is happening. We're still 6:30 people. Come on, donate some money for me, please.
Do we need to add something else in, like your chest and stomach?
Yeah.
What should we say? If we're 6:30.
What about an armpit?
If we say,
Oh,
Yeah.
that would be painful.
okay.
Why don't you see if you can get someone to donate 50 quid for an
So
armpit wax?
if we're on 6:30 now. We're on 6:30 now. If we can get 6:50, I'll do an armpit. I'll do an armpit. So that's 20 quid, people. Just somebody donate 20 quid or 10 or 5. Just donate me.
What's the cost of an armpit wax? Is it £8?
Eyebrows. I'm not doing eyebrows. But I will do an armpit for 20 quid, and I'll do the second armpit for the further 20 quid.
You're like, let's not affect work here. Okay, that.
It's still very hot. It's still very
really
hot.
well, though.
I feel like it's pretty much what, like.
Yeah, that's smooth.
There you go, ladies. It's
Yes,
smooth.
smooth
If you want to
balls.
have a feel later to see how smooth they are, I'll only charge £1 per donation.
Per squeeze.
Vapor are going to pledge for eyebrows. I can't do my eyebrows. I've still got to make a living. Chest.
Armpit wax is the most painful wax.
Did you hear that? Armpit wax is the most
also,
painful.
I find stomach is the worst on guys. They really hate around like the belly button and stuff. So that could be a painful
Yeah,
one
belly
too.
button wax.
So I'm being told
sternum.
stomach and
Or chest.
chest, and I've got fairly hairy chest. Yeah, hairy chest. So if you want any more to come off, I
And now
really
you
need
can
that
watch.
target to go up.
Yeah, you can
We'll
watch that
film
one.
You'll film that one.
We can
Yeah,
film
you can film
that.
You can
Yeah.
film the chest. What, the chest?
Yes, so
Yeah,
you can
all
see
the
you having a
armpits.
wax.
Okay, people. I'm not doing
What do
it.
you think?
Mate, I
Let's go
can't
for
do my
balls.
eyebrows.
Let's go
We
Stop.
need to check they're even.
Can you just check they're still there, first of all? I don't care if they're even. Just make sure they're still there. I'm not doing my eyebrows. Not happening. I don't mind body. That's not.
Try and pull this out.
Same.
Just by keeping it out. I think that's what it is.
Pickles, who's going to front the money, Pickles? Is that Ollie and Chris? What are you doing, girls?
Well, we did.
We
Do
just
they want to film this bit right now?
You
We're evening
don't
up the balls.
You're evening it up. Just tell me I've still got 2.
Yeah,
yeah.
That's even enough.
They've doubled in
You
size.
could probably film us and we wouldn't show anything right now. But they can see when you just gotta pat it
Come on,
down.
lads, I can't get my eyebrows done. I'll look an absolute div. Worse than normal. I can't get the eyebrows. I'll get the chest done.
When we do an eyebrow wash, we don't take the whole eyebrow off.
Yeah, we're not doing like scalping.
But I'm not a pretty man. It's not stuff that you want to be doing. That was a couple, weren't it?
Okay, I think this is like the last.
Oh, how many more have got to go?
Just a couple.
Oh, I have not sworn my head off. I don't know because it hurts.
Imagine if I tweeze.
Oh. What about a nose wax? Nose hair wax?
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah, I can do that.
Please stop selling parts of my body off.
Well, we charge £5 for nose hair wax. The next person to donate a £5, I'll do it.
A nose hair wax.
Yeah, that's
I don't
a
think
good
I'm that.
one.
I don't think I've got that much.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Just need to get to that little bit there to get there we go.
Come on, people, get donating, please.
Done? This section? Yeah.
Just
There's
this
me,
little
I'm
bit
like-
here.
Do you think that's bold enough?
This side's about this bit.
It's fine. Just pull it out.
You've done
Don't
well.
wax it out.
We just do
Maybe
that
just
section,
here.
yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, one last section.
One more section. I didn't realise my balls were this big. Because look, there's less sections in a house. Bet this one's going to be painful, Nick, because I just felt all that hair drag. You're pulling hair from places it doesn't need to be pulled from.
I suppose you could go into having a Hollywood.
No, we're not doing Hollywoods. We just need a little bit more money. Just catch my breath a little bit, I think. It's the fact of, as well, where people saying about tears in my eyes. Yeah, it is a little bit painful, but I've also got a light straight in front of me, so that's actually burning as well, and probably like makes my eyes look a lot worse than they probably are.
You can turn it down.
That's a bit better. There we go. I can see again now, and I've gone white rather than orange, which is nice. Jen.
Right, we're done.
Oh, I'll put some cream on.
This is the nice bit.
Oh, this is the nice bit. Yeah, thanks for that.
There we go.
Okay, so that's the first. That's what we said. I've done my bit. My
Sack,
my
back,
back, my crack, and sack have been fully waxed. We've probably got another. I just need an update on if anybody donated. If not, I'm going to stop being naked. I'm going to get dressed, and I'm going to a pub for a well-deserved beer. Do you agree, girls? Thank you, girls. That can't have been most nice. Let's go for a team. Oh no, we have to get that way to work.
Hi.
Hey,
These are the
This
lovely
really
ladies.
happened.
we did do it.
Right, we're still 6:30. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day because I feel very hot and pulled apart. Okay, thanks for watching. Please donate. We still do have time to raise some money. Thank you to the girls at Genevieve's hair salon, beauty salon.
Beauty salon.
Okay, signing off. Thank you.